Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Work. Now I got a table to hold a gas can. Let's see if we can find the key. Here's a tour of the inside. For anybody that didn't see it before. This is what it looks like. Lights still work. That's surprising. That battery trick of mine must have worked. Little bed in the back. Little bathroom. So I had somebody look at this a couple days ago, and he was fixated on making it run. There's no gas in it. So, valid point. But I'm not concerned about it because it ran before. This one's marked. This must be the gas. Yeah. So it ran before. The gas went bad and I emptied it. So the way this works, hopefully the bucket stays up because that would make a mess, is this end goes in the tank, like duh, right? And then this end, if it wasn't frozen, holy moly, everything's a struggle. This end goes in here, and you shake it. If it stays, I'm going to hold it, at least I'm not holding weight up. You should put 5 gallons in. It is cold out. I don't like it. Okay. Now I did have to, where did I put the key? I did have to pull this out because I couldn't tighten it. The bezel was, is this the right key? Oh, would you look at that? Okay. I couldn't tighten it up. So there's a switch somewhere around here. Oh. Okay, well, that's not what I wanted to do. I want to go back. It won't fit there. Where's the go back button? It'd be a midget to drive this thing. Okay. This is as far as it. Where's the lever? Ah, no. That's the. Is that the same lever? How do 2 levers do the same thing? What on earth? Oh, there we go. Oh, it's all the way back already. Oh boy. Okay, so there's. Give you a better view. There's the switch for the pump, I believe. And we got to go down here. Oh, can I put you? I'm going to put you back around my neck. You know what it looks like to turn a key. So this should turn the pump on. Yep, I hear it. just picked up liquid. Tone changed again. I'm assuming. Oh, it's under a load. Assuming we have. Let's try it. Okay. Starter works. Let's cut this part out. Okay, back to the starter. 4 pumps. Joe, look at that. It's alive! Now, I can't move it because I'm on stands and I have an idiot's antenna tied to the ladder. But it runs. All right, let's go have a listen. Electric fans. Did I mention it's 40 degrees here right now? And it was in the 20s last night, so this thing is cold. Look at that. That is a thing of beauty right there. If you would like to buy this for a seasoned camper, let me know. Well, we definitely running. Definitely running. See if we can get the generator going. First startup in 2 years. Now that we got good gas in the tank, stick up my grief. Maybe we can get this going. Battery's dead. That will run. So we gotta wait for the battery to charge up or plug it back in. Put a jumper on it. I don't know. I don't care. Everything works. Really is a nice camper. Like I said before, I can't drive 2 of them at the same time, and the other one was my grandparents, and it's quite special to me. So oh yeah, it runs. Okay, like I said outside, I don't know if you could hear me or not, but if you would like to purchase this beautiful vehicle, let me know. Stove, it's got a pilot in it. I don't know if you can see that or not. Hopefully, there you go. There's a pilot in here, and that works. It was used. Microwave. We got a coffee pot, so that's cool. This light over here is on 110 volts. You get the little converter up here to run the TV. Yeah, it's a little furnace control over here. The cabinets have lights that go on and off when the door opens and closes. This door latch is broken because someone has a temper. I didn't even look at these cabinets. This folds down so you can walk around in here. And how many of these did he break? All right, well, that's going to be the tour. The tour, and it runs. So, yippee.